Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to migrate to Keeper Password Manager. We'll be guiding you through the steps needed in order to do this successfully. We're going to be assuming you have a different password manager and you're trying to migrate to Keeper Password. Well, in order to do that, you'll need to download Keeper Password for your Windows, your mobile, or using the Keeper fill. In this tutorial, we'll be using the download option to guide you through. Click on download, and here we have the installer. We're going to open the file. And here you just need to click on install and let this box remain ticked. Now we have our Keeper downloaded. We're going to go ahead and register our email. If you already have an account, you can simply go over to login to proceed. Awesome. And now we're in. Now this is the main dashboard and you have the option to import passwords. You have here import my passwords. You're going to click on it and then it says from a password manager or from a browser. So if you'd like to migrate from your Chrome, Firefox, or Edge browser, you can click on import. And here you see Keeper has found 363 passwords. So you can see right away, all you'll need to do is to click on add to Keeper and you'll have your passwords migrated from your Microsoft Edge browser password manager into your Keeper password manager. If you found this helpful, do let us know in the comment section below, give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.